Hello guys, welcome to Himail 356. On this tutorial we will learn how we can enhance or boost the color of our picture. After view, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Without your support we are nothing. Let's start. So create a new selective color layer. Selective color. Before using it, you need to know three things. That red is opposite of cyan, green is opposite of magenta, and blue is opposite of yellow. So let's select the red. So there is no red here. We know that red is opposite of cyan. So as it is opposite, so decrease it. First we will enhance all the colors. Then I will show how you can target one like green, blue, a specific one. So we selected red, and red is opposite of cyan. So we have cyan. As it is opposite, so we bring it down. Yellow. So we have yellow bar. Just increase the yellow. Now green. So green is opposite of magenta. So decrease the magenta. Let's see what's next. Cyan. We have cyan. So increase the cyan. Then blue. Blue is opposite of yellow. So we have yellow here. So decrease the yellow. Now we have magenta. Magenta here. Increase the magenta. So this is our original image, and this is what we got after applying the selective color layer. Now if you want to enhance all of the color more time, just select the selective color layer and Ctrl J, just duplicate it. It will enhance more. If you need more, duplicate it one more time. You see, the color is vibrating. So let's delete the extra layers. Suppose you want to boost only the color of the water here. So it's nearly as the cyan color. So go to selective color, choose cyan, increase the cyan. You see the difference? If you want more, just duplicate the layer. The more you duplicate, the more vibrant will be the color. Let's group all of the layers. So this is our original image, and this is what we get after applying the enhancement or color boost by using the selective color. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe. Or if you have any question or any confusion about this process, please comment below. Thank you.